And there it is, the wake-up call. Judges don't mince words in felony court. This isn't detention or community service. Prison is on the table. Notice how quickly the tone shifts from casual answers to a harsh reality check.
3CR 2906, State of Texas versus Sonia, Summer Munoz. All right, so what did you test positive for? And you want to go back to I only use marijuana with me? I'm sorry. Can you speak up and could you uncross your arms? You're not a little girl. We're not in a classroom. You are in a felony court where you could potentially go to prison. So, what are you been using?
Meth and marijuana.
When's the last time you used meth? No, it's more than 2 days ago. How often are you using?
I started jail, so I haven't been using it.
Well, I mean, you went straight from jail to use meth. Don't give me attitude.
Come on.
You've been dishonest with the court. You made them waste up. You think UAs just are free? You made them waste a UA, telling me that you're going to be positive for marijuana only when I knew it was not going to be the case. And now you're positive for meth, amphetamines, and marijuana. So who are you using with? Are you using by yourself in a dark room? Or are you using with some boyfriend? Who are you using?
No, actually, where I'm staying at.
And where is that?
Right. Natasha.
All right. I like the way you make up names. I can't believe anything you're telling me now because you were dishonest about the drug use.
I have to see it right now.
All right. So, I'm going to want a TAP evaluation ASAP for you. Are you employed?
No.
So how are you supporting yourself?
I'm not.
So who's supporting you?
Nobody.
Well, what are you eating other than drugs?
I have food stamps.
Sorry, what?
I have food stamps.
Who's giving you food stamps? You don't have your child with you. Those food stamps are for your child. I cannot understand a word
I
you're
just
saying.
applied and I got approved for emergency food stamps.
You know people who really should have food stamps that don't get approved. So you don't have your child with you. You're using meth, probably selling your food stamps for meth, and this is a tampering with a government record. So I don't even know if you obtain your food stamps legitimately. So what did you tell them in order to get food stamps? Because you don't qualify. I think she's probably going to end up with another criminal case. Because I don't know of the government giving out food stamps to people who won't work. There's nothing wrong with you. You don't have your child with you. Somebody else is taking care of your child.
Talk to them for work, like one of the conditions that they gave me in order to get food stamps.
Well, you're obviously doing a poor job of it, but I tell you what, you're in this court, you're going to have employment. I'm not going to, the length of probation is outside the agreement. So it's going to be more than 4 years in this court because she has a lot of work that needs to be done to, I don't know why you're giving me the attitude.
No, I'm not trying to.
Yes, you are. Either that or it's because you're hot. I don't know which one it is, but you're giving me attitude. And that attitude will most likely be readjusted by me at the Bexar County Jail. So I don't know if your attorney told you this, but I can send you to the Bexar County Jail as a condition of this probation, and I can also send you to the state jail facility as a condition of this probation for attitude readjustment. Do you want that? All right, so I'm going to sentence her to 6 years deferred adjudication. You're getting a job, and there are plenty of jobs that are available. You're going to knock your pride aside, and if you're going to be flipping burgers at McDonald's or working on fries, you're going to be the best fry person you can be until you move up. You understand? How far did you go in school? 9th grade. Why did you drop out? What were these problems? You using drugs?
No, not really. I just like to go around with my mom and my mom's courage.
And what's that tattoo on your neck? All right. People love to put down sayings on their bodies because they can't remember them. All right, it's going to be a $1,500 fine, probated, proof of employment, and it's going to be proof of full-time employment within 15 days. You have to get 2 part-time jobs. You will get 2 part-time jobs for the court. Full-time employment is at least 40 hours a week. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Has Child Protective Services been in your life?
Yes.
And so were your rights terminated?
Mm-hmm.
What happened to your parental rights?
I'm still in my room, but I just got my daughter. I found the people to take care of me until I get, take care of my daughter and get back on.
Parenting classes, and I want intense parenting classes. There's to be 150 hours community service restitution that will not be waived. She has to do those. You're going to get your GED, or either you're going to get some sort of trade certificate. Take in consideration 2023 CR 2907, County Court cause number 667-964, 685-144, 70047. You're going to want a referral to felony drug court, TAP evaluation. If she's not accepted in felony drug court, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment with probation. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline, and she's to be tested once a week. Make sure the levels are going down. If the levels start going up, issue a motion to revoke. And I'm going to want field visits 1 time per week until further notice. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Oh, I'm sorry, 1 time per month. Probation would have got a shot. Anything else you need from the court to be successful? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? We can go off the record. So that tattoo you have about only the strong will survive, that's the mode that your child is being in. And your child should not be in that. Her parents should not be using drugs. Parents should get her life together, and somebody else should not be raising your child. And you just 100% living off the government, that's not going to happen in this court. You get another job. Do you understand? And if you got those food stamps illegally, you better turn them in, because your counsel can tell you what the government does. They wait till your food stamps, when you take those monies from the government and you shouldn't have it, they wait till it becomes a felony. Then they turn it in. Do you understand? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
On 23 CR 2970, State of Texas versus Moses Maldonado. Mr. Bonk, could you move your person down to that end? All right, could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Yes, then. Are you Mr. Maldonado?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yeah.
We'll find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Maldonado, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presumed? Any objection? Mr. Maldonado, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Did you understand you're charged with felony in possession of a weapon? That's 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
You you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you are giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Laying voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Full acceptance of evidence, States Exhibits 1 in attachments. Court will review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 in attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing? All right. So the only issue I have a question about, what is the issue with the running concurrent?
He's on parole. We're going to do that thing. Honestly, we can't go. Just want to sign up. Help.
All right. Anything you wish to say, Mr. Maldonado? All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will take into consideration 2023 CR 2969 to run concurrent with 2018 CR 9258W. Do you understand that the court has no jurisdiction to order the parole board to run these cases concurrently?
Yes.
Do you understand that that is merely a recommendation from this court?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? This is a plea bargain agreement because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. You can go off the record. How old are you? You are getting close to the point in my life that I'm in, which is in the twilight of my life, or as they say, the winter of my life. So you're going to have to ask yourself, do you want to continue in and out of prison, in and out of jail, waking up and finding the majority of your life is in custody, or, these are the choices you have.
Yeah.
Now, the other question I have for you, do those tattoos hurt, the facial tattoos? Most painful. All right, and so you wanted to give it to me with the finger. Okay. All right.
Judge, in this for where I'm done horses. These horses. Was he disappointed? Russian was what Moses is really targeted. This guy breaks it. Unfortunately, he struggled with addiction. In the prison, and certainly if not, we'll try to maintain that fact.
All right, you're going to have to do it. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
All right, bye-bye. Have a good one. 3CR1476, State of Texas versus Angel Roman. Can I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
You're the table, Andrew Rahman, and Shannon Lost Associates.
All right, are you Mr. Angel Roman? Any objections to this attorney standing in? All right, counsel, you received all the discovery, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Roman, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Taking a motion to proceed on lesser included assault family is passing this
Any objection?
Oh, yeah.
Showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonition. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand the same proceeding on the left included offense, assault, bodily injury, family, marriage, and household as a Class A misdemeanor, range of punishment is anywhere from a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? Did the evidence find you guilty? The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. We're proceeding with sentencing. Have you all spoken to the complaint?
Um, yes, we have spoken.
And is she aware of this and in favor of this?
I'm the finally, honestly, we have not been able to reach the she was not wrong.
All right. Are you still with the complainant? Do you have any children with her? That relationship is over. You're not to speak to her. Do you understand? If you violate my conditions, we're going to have issues. Do you understand? All right. And with regards to the broken televisions, is there a restitution amount that's due for breaking 2 TVs?
There was no restitution.
So is there, do you know if there's restitution? People have to watch football. This text. All right. So I see that alcohol was involved in this. If you're drug tested today, are you going to be positive for anything? Can't be using drugs when you're working in the oil field. All right. Do you have any children? Oh. And is she in your life? Do you see her on a regular basis? And she's not with Ms. Garza. All right, the court is going to sentence you to 1 year deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, BIPP course. No contact with Trisha Garza. I'm going to do 80 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you've completed those, then the 80 hours will be satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Do you take UAs for your job? I know some do when they work in all fields. Or is it only if there's an accident? We're going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. I know you are in the all fields, but sometimes they can have you do those online. How are we going to handle the UAs? Because he's 2 weeks there and 2 weeks back. So he'll need to be tested when he comes down. So we'll do regular UAs, proof of employment within 15 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else? They can do a field visit 2 times. And I want one done when he's first back in town to make sure that everything is okay. And then if everything is okay, they can do one more, just a spot check, random. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you do that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Anything else? Yes.
For his travel, I don't know, in taxes, either way,
All right, defendant is allowed to travel for work. My understanding, he says it's in the. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorney? Did you understand it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to attorney. Understand? All right, you go off the record, you're gonna have to do better. You gotta be an example for your children. Obviously, you cannot drink in moderation, so just don't drink. There are plenty of other drinks out there that are non-alcoholic that taste just. And did that neck tattoo hurt? Because it appears like it's right on the Adam's apple, and the eye keeps moving. All right. All right. Good luck to you. Okay.